Hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel today. And if this is your first time watching me, if this is your first time on my channel, you are absolutely welcome. My name is Adedoyin and I create natural hair content, okay? Natural hairstyles, natural hair care. That is what I do on my channel. And in today's video, as you can see, I am rocking a very elegant hairstyle, a very elegant updo. And that is what this video is going to be all about. I am going to be showing you how I created this particular hairstyle on my head right now. It is something that is very simple. You can create it by yourself at home. You do not need any professional experience to be able to create this hairstyle. Very simple. It protects your hands. It does not require a lot of manipulation, and it is just so simple and cute. Okay, if there's somebody like me that wants something really simple, then you should definitely keep on watching. Okay, so guys, my hair was actually dirty. I created this hairstyle on a dirty hair. My hair was due for washing, but I didn't want to wash my hair just yet. I wanted to rock this particular hairstyle for a week before I proceeded to washing my hair. Okay, so the first thing I did was to moisturize my hair. Like I said, my hair was already dirty and my hair was a little bit dry. So I went ahead to moisturize my hair so that my hair can be in a really good condition before manipulating, before touching, before putting it into different parts, because it's going to make the work really easy. So after moisturizing my hair, after spraying my hair with some leave-in spray, I went ahead to work the leave-in spray into my hair properly so that everything can set properly. You get? Okay. So I went ahead to pass my hair into two, some to the back and some to the front, because you saw the hairstyle now, so you have an idea of what we are going to create. Okay, some to the back and some to the front. I tried my possible best, honestly, to make sure that the pattern is as neat as possible. And I like it when hairstyles have really nice pattern, but I struggled a little bit because I couldn't see the back of my head and I didn't have a mirror at the back, but I was still able to pull something off. The pattern is not that bad, it's still a little bit decent. We can still manage that. Okay, yeah, if you want to create it and you want your pattern to be really neat, I would suggest that you get somebody to do the pattern for you. Okay, so just to start the hairstyle, I'm going to be putting the back section in a small ponytail so I can focus on the front section. And for the front section, I already moisturized my hair and I just went ahead to apply my Gorilla Snow Gel just to lay my hair so that everything can look really sleek. Okay, like I said, this particular hairstyle is actually really simple. It's something you can pull off by your own without any professional experience. You can use any gel of your choice. I ran out of Eco Styler gel and that is the reason why I'm using Gorilla Snow Gel. And I also like Gorilla Snow Gel because the hold is really nice, like very nice. So I went ahead to brush my hair together so that everything can look really intact with this my hair brush, and then I put everything into a small puff. Okay.
You don't know the loneliness hidden inside. You don't know I wanna eat you up alive. Come and get to know me, my type of wild. I'm the kind that spins you and hangs you dry. Well, I'm already on to another side.
So because this particular hairstyle is a protective hairstyle, so I am going to be covering my own hair so that my whole natural hair is protected, and for that I'm going to be braiding my own hair so that any extension that I'm going to be adding to it is going to protect my hair well. My hair will not just going to be flying around. Okay, so that is the importance of braiding my own hair. If your hair is not long enough to braid, you can still just leave your hair like that and just find a way around it. Okay, so I did the same thing for the back section, moisturized it a little bit more, and then I added some Gorilla Snow Gel to bring everything together so everything can be really sleek and everything can hold up really well. I brushed everything together with my hairbrush. Really simple, something you can do by yourself. You don't need any professional experience. Like I said, you don't need any professional experience. Just follow this tutorial and you are good to go, honestly.
You don't know I wanna eat you up alive. Come and get to know me, my type of wild. I'm the kind that spins you and hangs you dry. Well, I'm already on to another side. If you gave me your whole life, I would still have room for more, 'cause I've got that appetite. Baby, I never feel whole. You might get me through the night, but it will never be enough. It will never be enough. 'Cause I'm a black girl for you.
Guys, after doing the front and back section, I went ahead to apply some shine and jam gel to the perimeter of my hair just to pull everything together. You can see the effects of shine and jam gel, and you know how shine and jam gel can be. That gel is crazy, the old is really crazy. So that very laid effect that you're seeing on my hair right now, that is the work of shine and jam gel. Okay, so it was shine and jam gel that I used to get my hair to this point. Okay, I went ahead to lay my baby hairs, the one that I didn't have, I still created it, and I laid my hair with this cap, and I left it on like this for more than 45 minutes. I can remember very well, for more than 45 minutes. I did a lot of things in between, and I also applied my makeup in between. Okay, so after then I came back, I took down the scarf, and as you can see, everything looks really neat and everything looks really intact. Okay, that hair, that old, the shine and jam gel combined with the gorilla snot gel, it's crazy. So to create the buns, I went ahead to take my clipping extensions. My hair is 4B4C, and the clipping extension that I'm using is also 4B4C, and the color is also very similar to my own hair color. So it would actually be difficult for someone to not know that it is not my hair, if that makes sense. Okay, so I used 2 clipping extensions each for the back section and for the front section. Okay, so and I just attached the clipping extensions to my own home braided hair. That was the reason why I said that it is important for you to braid your own hair. That way your hair is protected and your hair is just secured. So after attaching the clipping extension, and as you can see, I just went ahead to roll it into a bun. I mean, if you want to do this by yourself, and if you do not really have a lot of experience with hairstyling, it might be a little bit challenging. You just have to find your way around it. It is not difficult, honestly. It is not difficult. Just wrap it around each other and pin it down. You're going to need a lot of bobby pins for this particular hairstyle, just for the bun to be really secure, so that it doesn't fall off when you're in motion, when you're in transit, or when you're doing different activities. You have to secure it really well. You have to use a lot of bobby pins. Okay, so just use your hand to mold it together really well, and use bobby pins to secure the buns really firmly. Okay. So I did exactly the same thing for the front section. I attached 2 clipping extensions to the braided hair, and then I rolled it just as you're seeing it. I rolled it into a bun, and then I secured the bun with a lot of bobby pins. Do not forget, a lot of bobby pins. And I used the big bobby pins because I honestly feel like the small bobby pins, I really do not use the small bobby pins, because I just feel like they don't hold the hair as securely as the big bobby pins do. Okay, so that is the reason why I always opt for the big bobby pins, most especially when I'm dealing with extensions. If I were to be dealing with just my own natural hair, I might have used the smaller bobby pins, but for this particular hairstyle and for many other hairstyles that require extensions, I always go for the big bobby pins. Okay, so this hairstyle is actually a very simple one that you can pull off by yourself. Okay, so do let me know in the comment section if you love this hairstyle, if it's something that you are willing to do or you are willing to recreate. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and I will definitely catch you guys in my next video. Bye.